In this video we are going to see how in Zoom classes we can enable original sound. So we go to Zoom directly, down left side you will see my Zoom app is there. So we open the Zoom and we sign in. So generally I sign in with the Facebook. So before we start the meeting or schedule a meeting, we will see settings. So there we will go to the setting and activate this. So you see this is the main screen of the Zoom. Down right side we have meet and chat meeting. The very right side we have settings. So down right side I hit on that. So once I see here, I see there is meeting. So meeting there are many things, and here if we see use original sound, so see a closed captioning, use original sound. So this is, it will not use. So for uh, using audio along with the video when we are sharing screen, we need to activate this. So this is called use original sound. Okay, so when we have the meeting, so I have activated it, I go back and suppose I start a meeting. So there is, I'll schedule a meeting and suppose I start the meeting. So we share invite link. So this is how what we do. We share the invite link. So suppose we have shared it. Suppose we have shared it. We start the meeting. So here, if we see, we have started the meeting. So here, if I want to share the screen and show them anything, first we have to go to more. Then this choice, if you see third one, enable original sound comes. So if you see once more, three dots more I hit, and disable original sound means enable original sound is there. So first we have to go to the main setting, otherwise this will not come. Enable or disable. Okay, so this is disabled now. We enable. So here two things happen. Our audio quality becomes better, and if we want to share the screen, okay, then what happens is, if we suppose we show them YouTube video, then the audio will start coming, otherwise only we can show them the video.
So hello children, today we are going to see physical quantities and measurement.
So this is how we enable the original sound.